What's up, everybody? It's Andrew. One of my favorite releases of 2024 has been the Facebook Ad Manager right within the GoHighLevel platform. And today I'm going to be showing you the Audiences tab right within HighLevel. It's going to make it a lot easier for us to manage our custom and lookalike audiences within the platform. Let me show you how it works. Now, on any of your sub accounts that, of course, have the Ad Manager enabled, you'll be able to see under Marketing, Ad Manager, all of our campaigns and statistics on this page. But what we're going to be looking at is over in Settings. So if you click the little settings icon on the right hand side, you will go to Audiences right here. We can see our pages, conversions, and audiences in our settings. And this is going to be a place where we can view all of our different audiences that are associated with our ad manager and manage them all right on this screen. We can create new audiences from here, being our lookalike and custom audiences. We already have some videos over how exactly you can do that. And of course, you can view all the different audiences that you have here. So for example, I have a open lead form but didn't submit audience, an engaged with page and ads audience, and another new audience that I just created. Now here we'll be able to search for our audiences via their name. We can also sort via custom and lookalike audiences to sort them like that. And with any of our audiences, we can click the three dots on the right-hand side and delete them or edit them just with the name and description. Again, if you haven't watched our video on creating custom and lookalike audiences already, I'd highly recommend you do. But in this Edit Audience tab, we'll only be able to change the name and description because the audience has already populated. So we're not going to be able to change things like who that audience is actually targeting and things like that. But if you want to create a new audience, you can do that from the screen by clicking Create New Audience, selecting Lookalike or Custom, and then selecting your different requirements for creating an audience. It's really straightforward. For example, if I wanted to create one that was based on my website, I could click Website, click Next, select my conversion pixel that is in this screen over here on the conversion side as well if you haven't created one already. Select an event, maybe let's say website visitors, give it a name, and then click Create Audience. It is as easy as that to create audiences within this audience tab, and you'll see it populating as well as the created on date, modified date, and the type of audience all on this screen. This is pretty straightforward, but of course, if you have any questions, first, I would recommend you get in there, use the ad manager yourself. But of course, if you have any other questions after you've used it, maybe you're trying to figure out how to create new audiences or things like that, leave a comment. And as always, thank you so much for watching.